In front of me is NUBIA Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, tap on Device Unlock. And quick disclaimer, if you don't have screen lock, you need to set it up before adding face data, or your NUBIA will simply not allow you to use it. So hit screen lock, set it up, then go back and tap on Fingerprint and Face Unlock section. Enter your screen lock here. Tap on Face Unlock above Fingerprint, and after reading all of those disclaimers, hit Done. Then tap on this icon next to Turn on Raise to Wake to disable or enable it, and tap on Create Now. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then you can tap on Unlock Device, pick one of those options, and tap on your screen. So when I go back now, turn off my screen and switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!